My name's Lisa DeMonico. I live in Johnsburg, Illinois. I'm a single mom of 2 teenagers now. My daughter Allie is 17 and a half. My son is 13, David. I was fighting to get child support that I wasn't receiving, and in the middle of trying to figure out how to get the child support my kids were granted, I was summoned to court for modification of the child support, and my ex-husband was asking to reduce the amount. And I was just beside myself because I was frustrated already not receiving the support, and now he was trying to reduce it. I had gone to Prairie State Legal Aid for help, and I wasn't eligible there.
Well, Prairie State simply can't help everyone who legitimately is eligible for our services and is very much in need of our services, simply because we just don't have enough bodies. If you do the math, it's clear that far more people are going to come calling you or knocking on your door asking for service than you can ever begin to help. What Illinois Legal Aid Online does is, I guess I view it as sort of a collaboration for the huge numbers of people who essentially do get a no from us. What it gives them is a place where we can say, we're very sorry, we can't help you with this particular problem, but there is a resource.
And I was a little rocked, had my little meltdown, and then took a deep breath and drove home. And when I was emptying all my stuff, that's when the business card fell out and your website was on it. And 30 minutes later, it changed my life because it answered my questions. Information is power, and I didn't have any information until I had your website. I got forms there. I got help with filling it out. It was reviewed. As far as telling me where to go for information, having the forms, how to fill them out, how to file things in the courthouse.
Unfortunately, in today's economy, many people cannot afford an attorney. They cannot afford legal representation. And because of that, people still need some route to get the resources that they need. And through Illinois Legal Aid and the self-help centers, the websites, the information there, it's very, very comprehensive, and they are able to produce documents which can be used in court. So again, that helps the entire system. I can tell you that in 2010, we helped 2,200 people. In 2011, that number jumped to 3,700. So almost a 70% increase in usage in 1 year. So there is a tremendous demand for these types of resources. People, again, need that access to justice, and we need to be here to provide that for them.
The website gives you options, it gives you documents to fill out, it tells you what you need. It really is it's a playbook. The impact, I can't tell you, I was able to function as a mother with my kids. I didn't have to worry about it. And I knew that once I went to court, I would know what to do from there.
Having smart people who think about technology and what's available and how to use it, having a ILAO fill that role in Illinois is comforting. I know that we're being as efficient as possible as we can with the resources that are out there.
After all of those negative experiences and thinking that you were protected and not being protected really, to come across Illinois Legal Aid, it's priceless.